How to fix Roblox error code 264. Hey guys, welcome back. Now, if you're facing the Roblox error code 264, it might be for a couple of different reasons. So to understand why you're facing this error, we need to understand what this error really means. So this is a common error code that occurs when you are logged onto multiple devices or you have a unstable internet connection. These are the two primary reasons for the 264 error code on Roblox, and there are multiple different ways that we can resolve this error as well. Now, first off, the first basic major issue that you might be facing with the 264 error code is that your devices are too many. So you're logged onto multiple different devices and you're trying to launch the same account on multiple different devices. And this is going to be the error that will appear if you try to do that. Now, this can be for multiple different reasons as well. If you have pre-existing cache on your devices of your Roblox account being logged in, this might also be a major issue. So if you're not logged in on both of the devices simultaneously, and it might just be cache, then try to close one device and log on with one individual device instead of having both of these devices open, because even if you're trying to log on to different accounts, because of the pre-existing cache, you can face this error. Now, another very essential thing to keep in mind is that this error is a multi-device error. So someone else might be actually trying to use your account, and that is the reason Roblox will show you this error. So going ahead into your Roblox setting and logging out of all of your devices is a great option if you are unsure whether or not other people are using your account. So make sure to log out all other devices, as well as the fact that checking your login locations. So you can click on log out of all other sessions to make sure that no one else is using your Roblox account, and make sure to also change your password if you have any indication of any security breaches. Now, another major cause of this issue is multiple accounts on one device. So if you and your family or friends are all playing Roblox on the same device multiple different times, this can be a reason for the error as well. For that, you also need to go into your cache and clear the cache on your device or on your browser or on the Roblox application. Now, another major reason for the 264 error is that you have a bad internet connection. So for that, you can go on to the speed test by Ookla, and you can make sure to check the internet that you have. So just click on go over here on speedtest.net, and you can actually check the speed of your internet, which is going to be a very essential thing. Now, make sure your internet speed is no less than 9 Mbps to make sure you're able to use Roblox. If it is lower than 9 or 10, then it is probably the reason that you're facing the error as well. Now, another thing to keep in mind is you might be using a outdated version of Roblox. So you can go into your applications over here, and if there are any updates that are available, then make sure to check those updates out. You can open up your application manager, and you can just search for Roblox over here, and you will see any kind of updates that are available for your devices. If you have a Windows device, you will find updates for that as well. So make sure your device is updated to the latest version of Roblox. Now, what to do if this error is still persisting? If the error still persists, you can go onto your Chrome browser. If you are playing on Chrome, you can go directly into your settings by clicking on the ellipses on the top right. Once you do that, you can click on your settings on the bottom, then go into privacy and security, and you can click on your cookies and other site data. Now, you have other site data over here as well, but we're going to go into privacy and security, and I'm going to click on clear browsing data. I don't need to clear my actual browsing history, but I need to make sure to clear my cookies and other site data, and you can choose that for a specific time period since you have been playing Roblox. So I would recommend just doing it for the past 7 weeks. Usually that does clear up most errors that I face with Roblox. So clear that data out to make sure that you don't have that Roblox error or any other kind of Roblox error. Because if you're facing one error and after you resolve that error, you face another error, it might be due to the device's cache that it has, which is basically tiny bits of memory that it stores just so it's easier to load your data. But those little bits of memory can interfere with the new information you're trying to receive or present to Roblox. So these are the different ways that you can troubleshoot the Roblox 3. So these are the different ways that you can troubleshoot the Roblox 264 error. If you're still facing issues with this error and you've tried all the methods that I've presented, you've logged out of all other devices, you have gone into your security and logged out of all other sessions, you're only using one account on your device, and you're still finding these errors to be happening with you frequently, then make sure to contact the Roblox customer support. Make sure to email them with the error that you're facing and then get help from the Roblox support team, because this might be a issue with Roblox on their end, so the issue can be resolved for you as quickly as possible. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.